FSI Italian, Preliminary Unit D, Stress. In the preceding unit, we talked about pulse beats or syllables. The following utterance constitutes one syllable. Ah. The following constitutes two syllables. Ah. Frame 4. How many syllables does the following English word constitute? Give. The answer is 1. Frame 5. How many syllables are in the following English word? Giving. The answer is 2. Frame 6. The English sentence, give me 2 books, contains 4 words. How many syllables does it contain? The answer is 4. Depending upon the context, the sequence give plus me plus 2 plus books may be pronounced in different ways, making one syllable more prominent than all the others. Here is one context. The 2 underlined items show what is being contrasted. Context number 1. Don't show me 2 books, give me 2 books. Of the last 4 words in this context, the word give is pronounced somewhat more loudly than the rest. The item give is thus said to be stressed, and the other 3 words are referred to as unstressed. Here is another context with the underlined items again indicating what is being contrasted. Context number 2. Don't give him 2 books, give me 2 books. Frame 11. Of the last 4 words in context number 2, which is the stressed item? The answer is me. Here is another context and another contrast. Context number 3. Don't give me 1 book, give me 2 books. Frame 13. Of the last 4 words in context number 3, which is the stressed item? The answer is 2. Here is context number 4. Context number 4. Don't give me 2 newspapers, give me 2 books. Frame 15. Of the last 4 words in context number 4, which is the stressed item? The answer is books. The stress feature that we have just examined is important. The phrase give me in context number 1 does not imply the same thing, and hence does not mean the same thing as the phrase give me in context number 2. Frame 17. Does the phrase 2 books in context number 3 imply the same thing as the phrase 2 books in context number 4? The answer is no. Frame 18. Does the phrase 2 books then mean the same thing as the phrase 2 books? The answer is no. Although the stress feature that we have been examining is important in English, it is even more important in Italian, where very often the wrong stress on an individual word may change the meaning of the word. Listen to the following Italian utterance. It is the word for salt. You will hear it 3 times. Sali, sali, sali. Frame 21. How many syllables does the word contain? Sali. The answer is 2. Frame 22. Which syllable is stressed, the first or the second? Sali. The answer is the first. Now here is a similar utterance. This word does not stand for salt, but expresses the idea it went up. Listen closely. Sali, sali, sali. Frame 24. How many syllables does the word contain? Sali. The answer is 2. Frame 25. Which syllable is stressed, the first or the second? Sali. The answer is the second. Frame 26. As far as stress is concerned, then, is the Italian word for salt stressed like 2 books or 2 books? Listen again. Sali, Sali, Sali. The answer is like 2 books.
Frame 27. And what about the Italian word for it went up? Is it stressed like 2 books or 2 books?
Listen. Salì, salì, salì. The answer is like 2 books. Test. Answers not recorded. A. You will hear some English words, each said twice. Write in column 1 those words that are stressed like 2 books. Write in column 2 those that are stressed like 2 books. 1. Able, able. 2. Aboard, aboard. 3. Against, against. 4. Ago, ago. 5. Attach, attach. 6. Attack, attack. 7. City, city. 8. Conclude, conclude. 9. Ego, ego. 10. Even, even. 11. Forbid, forbid. 12. Foreign, foreign. 13. Forget, forget. 14. Idle, idle. 15. Molest, molest. 16. Monkey, monkey. 17. Obey, obey. 18. Ocean, ocean. 19. Over, over. 20. Practice, practice. 21. Regret, regret. 22. Using, using. B. Now you will hear some Italian words, each said twice. Some will be stressed on the first syllable, like 2 books, and some stressed on the second syllable, like 2 books. As you hear each word, put a 1 or a 2 according to whether the word you hear is stressed on the first syllable or on the second. 1. Busso, busso. 2. Città, città. 3. Crede, crede. 4. Dormi, dormi. 5. Dormì, dormì.